Cash App organizes your contacts into two main categories: recent contacts and favorites. Understanding this system is key to managing your contact list effectively. Recent contacts are automatically populated based on your transaction history and cannot be manually deleted. Favorites, however, give you manual control for quick access to frequently contacted users. Now let's walk through the step-by-step process to remove someone from your favorites list. First, open Cash App and navigate to the payment screen where you can see your contact list. Next, tap on the contact you want to remove from favorites. Notice the filled star icon indicating this person is currently in your favorites. Finally, tap the highlighted star icon to unfavorite the contact. The star will become empty, indicating they've been removed from your favorites. The contact is now removed from your favorites list, but will remain in your recent contacts if you've transacted with them recently. This gives you control over quick access while preserving your transaction history. Remember, removing from favorites only affects quick access. Your transaction history and recent contacts remain unchanged, ensuring you never lose important payment information. Recent contacts in Cash App work differently from favorites. Understanding how they function is key to managing your contact list effectively. Unlike favorites, which you can manually remove, recent contacts cannot be directly deleted from Cash App. This is a fundamental limitation of the current system. Recent contacts update dynamically with each new transaction you make. The list typically shows your last 10 to 20 contacts, with the most recent at the top. As you can see in this transaction history, each payment or request automatically updates your recent contacts list. To effectively remove someone from your recent contacts, you need to make transactions with other people. This pushes the unwanted contact further down the list until they eventually disappear. As user demand for more privacy and control grows, Cash App may introduce more robust contact management features in future updates, including manual deletion options and enhanced privacy controls. Remember, recent contacts update automatically and cannot be directly deleted. Use the workaround method of making new transactions to manage your list effectively.